Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today we are diving deep into Android's developer options. That is right, the place where you unlock hidden features and tweak your phone like a pro. But before we move in, here's what we will cover. Unlocking developer options, accessing developer options, playing around with developer options, turning off developer options. So let's begin. Step 1. Unlocking developer options. Alright, let us start with step 1. Turning on developer options. To begin, open up your settings menu and scroll down to About Phone. Look for MIUI version for your specific phone version and prepare yourself for a tapping marathon. Tap it repeatedly. Keep going until you see the message. You are now a developer. Step number 2. Accessing developer options. Now that you have unlocked the secret door, you might be wondering, where did these developer options actually go? No worries, I got you. Head back to the settings menu, scroll down to additional settings, and nestled right there next to enterprise mode is the magical developer options. Click on it and get ready for a whole new world of customization. And hey, before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step number 3. Playing around with developer options. Scroll through the options and adjust them to your liking. Want to speed up animations? Check. Need a quick test for USB debugging? Check. You are in full control. And lastly, turning off developer options. And if all the settings start to feel overwhelming, do not worry. You can easily toggle developer options off with a single switch. Just head back, flip the switch, and watch as your developer superpowers vanish. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this guide helps you unlock your Android device's full potential without causing any unplanned rocket launches. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments section which features you love or maybe regretted trying. Stay connected for more tips and tricks, and until next time, keep leveling up your mobile game with wireless solutions. See you soon. Bye for now.